Hey James, recording a screencast is absolutely no problem, and I think it might be easier. That way you can see if what I'm seeing, and maybe that will help. I don't know. So, you're in your story here, and I am in the teacher's view, so there is going to be a difference there. Over here in the activities, you have the annotation tool and then the guiding questions. So, as I read, I see little Q1. And when I click on that, it takes me over here to Q1. And you can click on the answers. I don't even think you need to click on Q1, though, in order to see them. But that's what I was talking about the little circle with Q1, and then you have Q2. So that way you know this question can be found, in this section here. So again, I don't know exactly what is going on, but after you see this, let me know if that helps, and hopefully maybe we can solve the mystery.